Alright, it's the beach day. Oh shit, did I lock the door? You heard it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Too much pay games. All I see is fake friends. It only makes sense when I pay them. Tell me who needs who and who made them. Left now, I can't hear their name unless I say them. Yeah, it was me that wasn't letting in. But it was me who made the beats, I'm kind of threatening. You want all the credit, go claim what I made. But when you try to make it again,
Alright, so it's the beach day. We are going to the beach day. Yeah, just me and my sister, we just woke up this morning and was like, we're gonna go to the beach.
Hi.
It's hot. It's like,
to the beach.
I think we can go that way.
Oh, yeah, this is the tunnel. Oh.
So now we're going through a secret tunnel to get to the beach, which is this way, as you can see. Let me flip that camera. Oh, you're catwalking for my friends on the vlog. Thank you, thank you. Give them a little spin, a little show. Or thank you.
Watch your pose.
If you want to be posing for my guests and shit like that, you better subscribe to the channel. That way you can be updated on everyday activities. Because I'm going to try my best to be
Close to everything.
Yeah. This is a very sus-ass tunnel. But it's literally like 2 seconds in the tunnel. So it's not far. And now we're out the tunnel. Now, if the walk from here to the beach is far, something's wrong. That's it. But yeah, guys, let's just go. Ooh, so my glasses are from Dex Boutique. Hit my girl up. She got bags, she got glasses, shades, bracelets, rings. You know, all that cute stuff you want your nigga to get you. Go on her website. Location. So niggas about to pick a spot.
We're about to enjoy our
Lay the
time
fuck
at
down.
beach.
And chill. Anybody got time?
Pick a nice book.
Pick a nice book.
That's what we
Lay down Sunday. It's not that cold. It's not that hot. It's just nice. The wind is blowing.
We got wine.
We got wine. Let's just chilling this Sunday. Here's how I'm not getting put now. Guys, let me show you what the fuck. Like, but I'm so happy about my baby. Let me show y'all the water.
And it looks phenomenal.
It's all looks It's cold.
That's why you gotta get your whole body in, man.
Woo! We don't do ocean.
Get higher. See the waves getting bigger. Look, it's gonna get higher.
I'm be right here. I'm be right here.
She thought I was wrong. This is not an easy task, bro.
Go in deeper. But yeah, just be careful.
I'm all over the place. Tito,
you see me look mad. Y'all know my niece? Come get me up. You get me up.
She was on it. Ready. I was on it. Heavy. check, why you so sexy? Fell in love when she met me. Tell your ex to come check me. All the shit it gets messy. Mellow mama in the day. She was a
Run really slow, really slow. I'm supposed to run really slow. Okay, you can do that too. That one too. I take that. I take everything. Okay.
She keep on loving on my post.
Stuck on fucking stupid.
Yeah, what you been drinking?
I drank some rock. I drank pink motherfucking Scotto. I drank some Douce. Douce make you do what you say. Shit, man.
Come on, show him, show him, show him. Little mommy in the what? In the deli. Yeah, I love Nessa. I love Nessa. Her vibe, anything.
Oh my God, can we sit down? Oh fucking 9. Hold on. We got old fucking 9 in the building. Hold the fuck up. Hold the fuck up. Y'all bitches ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready for the old 9 shit. Feel me? We really out here. We really out here tonight. Nah, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm about to hit y'all with the wickedest wine. Hold on. I got it right here.
I know, she got it. And this is before they had a war. Susie, where you at? Where you at, Susie?
Oh!
Oh,
Stop fucking playing.
Wet.
We out here with it. Jones Beach. Y'all bitches ain't ready. Fuck you talking about? SOE in the spot. Feel me? Holla. 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 Whoa. Whoa. Blood clot. We can't handle it. Voila. I'm lit. I gotta
Drinking.
I gotta take a seat.
We gotta play my song.
To be honest, I don't know the password.
Just disconnect his phone. I'm about to say we can't disconnect him.
We could. Who gonna connect though? Cause my shit dying. Who we gonna connect?
No.
Who we gonna connect? What you wanna hear? You want the shit? Alright, we gotta have to disconnect him.
Yeah.
Where Ali go? No pressure. What? They think I shut up. You wanna bring the water? Where you at though? Oh my God.
I'm trying to give it to you, come my way. You know I'm a bad girl, I show you my way.
What's that saying? What's that saying? Hold on. Right here with it. Get a video on me. What? Come on.
They got me twisted, thinking about the way that things used to be. When it was you with me, girl, I was so free. See, you had my heart from the start like Cupid, and I was just downright foolish and stupid. But now I know the reason for the pain and the headaches. You left me all alone, now I can't even concentrate. I guess I'll wait till the day until you come back.
Alright guys, I'm back in Buffalo, right? And today we're going to the beach. I went to the beach with a friend of mine up here in Buffalo. We were supposed to leave since like 12 something. Don't mind storm right now. My comb is in my room and I'm in the car. I'm waiting for somebody. I plan on vlogging this beach day too and adding it. So I'm gonna combine this one and the one that I did in the city with my sisters. I'm gonna combine them both together and make it into one vlog. The plan is pretty much to just lay down, soak up the sun, read a book, record some videos. That's pretty much it. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. And now look who is here finally after hours of waiting. Is he gonna make a U-turn? I gotta get out. Leave
It's
it.
going in the water?
Nope, I don't swim.
No, it's just going.
I'm not letting you in the water, but
Bro, not standing right by
It's like
him.
a mile
He needs to
and a
move
half.
away from me. So we come to this beach and I don't know what's going on. Can't bring alcohol, you can't bring shit in here. He comes, we've been standing at the car for mad long, and then he comes and he's like, oh, you can't bring shit in here, whatever. And we walk in, now he's doing a bag search or whatever. Andrew over there having a conversation with him. I don't know why she's even talking to him.
So this creek comes down.
I just want to go down
brings all
and lay
the dirty
down.
water in, so they
Enjoy
know
the
it's in
sun.
once in a while.
Can't even do that because
State park, I don't believe has that problem.
a whole bunch of
State park's huge.
fucking
State park's 2 miles that
politics
way.
right now.
But
The driver for what? Where are we going?
Because, okay, so the other...
No, he's pissing me off. He's pissing me off at
Me
this
and my
point.
homegirl.
Yeah, like, excuse me, sir. Now he's telling us to go to a whole different park. Yo, I feel like he's just like, nobody else is getting that feeling like he's just nipping at every single thing.
No, he's just like, oh, if you guys do want to bring...
No,
if
I
you
don't,
guys...
I said I don't need you to give me another suggestion. I came here. I don't need you to give me a
Thank you.
secondary suggestion.
Oh, to use the bathroom, you gotta pay. He's really taking a piss at this point. You gotta pay for everything. You gotta pay to breathe. You gotta pay for your bathing suit. Like, for all that, y'all should just have a sign on the wall or something.
you're good. Hold on.
He literally just came. He literally just turned around, walked back, and he's searching the bags all over again.
You know, honestly,
That's not a big
Dad, explain.
if you don't like it, you can go to a different beach.
We don't need
We're
you
not
to give
complaining, but
suggestions
you
for
over here
yourself.
telling us, if you want us to leave, you can just say you want us to leave, but if you don't, then don't be saying shit. You over here, you throwing little, he's throwing little subliminals, you know. If you want us to leave, just simply say, you guys can't come here. Be a man, grow some balls.
I just feel like
The thing that pissed me off is him just searching her bag again. You clearly saw that we didn't go too much.
I'm learning this one.
We should do that one next. Ooh, dun.
Go back.
Shoot.
wait, they think it's food.
They about to whoop your ass now.
Nah, low key, I feel like they, because he got that stick.
I got
He's really
Oh no. Oh, he about to fly away with that stick. He gonna come right back around. I didn't get him no food, y'all. I don't want no smoke. Well, see, when they think you do, then the other ones wait.
I don't want no smoke. Oh, I like that song. In all the stores. Let him make it with a girl next door. Bitches, we were both butt naked, hanging on the bathroom. Yeah, we're using the water gun to chase some little things away. And now they all coming back. On a sofa, ain't in the shower. phone is gonna fall. I'm at the shore. I don't wash my feet. You don't do. Oh, my feet is gonna be so wet and nasty. She was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. I'm sorry for